It's going.
Hello everybody and welcome to an unboxing video, I guess, of my wireless card. I told you mine built-in on my motherboard is shit, so I decided to go out and get this. We're going to unbox it and I'm going to show you how to install it and all that. Pretty straightforward and all that. This is my first time doing it too, so it's going to be an experience for me. Pretty fairly simple VIP member notice and drivers I'm not going to be using. And we got the unit, whatever you want to call it. Antennas. And a little, I guess this is a bracket for smaller computers, mini ITX cases and all that. I already got pretty much everything prepped and all that. I got my anti-static wristband because I'm very OCD.
Okay, back again.
Sorry for the random cut. Didn't think this would fit, but push it in. Lock it. And let that come off. Whatever. I have a little thumb screw so it doesn't go anywhere. Hands are so big that put the antennas on. Sorry for the lighting, not the best in here.
Maybe you're going the wrong way.
No, I'm not. Had to push them down a little. Pretty much that's it. And I will get back to you when I'm about to install the drivers and all that. See you guys here in a minute. Alright guys, we are back. And gonna turn on my computer now. It would help if I turned on the power switch. It's on. Hopefully you guys can hear that. The fans. I love how fast this boots, man. This thing boots so stupid quick. Alright. Alright, let's see if I can do this. Because this is my first time of doing it. And sorry if I'm cutting out some parts and all that. It's not my device and printers, I believe it's in. I browse my computer. I don't think that's it. Change settings, update drivers. Hold on, let's go get the drivers off my, yeah, sorry, I'm doing this all one-handed. So, excuse me for the, finger in the way. I want to make this easier, so, throw it in here. Browse. Documents. This should take fairly quick. Not too sure. Fingers stop getting in the way. Alright. It looks like it's good. I hate restarting my computer, but let's restart it. Yeah, hopefully you like that picture of death back there. I like it. I really need to get a bigger desk, just now realizing. I'm pretty sure you guys hear my nasty, funky chair back there. And yeah, we're going to do a speed test. Hopefully it doesn't drop that much. MSI. I love this motherboard, by the way. So much faster than my old computer. Speaking of computer, I'm going to get a new keyboard here pretty soon so you don't hear the unnecessary amount of clicks. Alright, I'm going to cut here really quick, and yeah, we'll see you guys here in a second. And it looks like we are connected. Hopefully I can get you guys to see. Sorry about the microphone, I really am. This is what I have to deal with every day. I have 5 bars instead of 3. Let's see how long, or let's go do an internet speed test right now. I'm doing this everything with one hand. I will block out the IP. I don't feel like the attack of a DDoS or getting DDoSed, whatever. So let's do this. Hopefully I can play games a lot quicker now and not lag like a total bitch.
Can I use my phone? Hello?
And I am like, I would like to say 25, 30 feet away. Well, it was 60 up and I believe 20 down. I'd like to see a little bit more, but for 25 bucks you really can't Beat it. And you guys will be seeing this video up tomorrow. So I'm going to cut here. I'm going to upload and see how long it will take. So yeah. Just about getting ready to upload a video. 60 minutes. It's better than 6,000 minutes what it was going to give me. 25 bucks. Could I got a better one for a bit more money? Yes. But this is all I had at the time. As you can see, you guys will be seeing this video tomorrow because this is going up today. And I have no regrets. Well, at least I won't be lagging around a map with 350 ping on. This. Or this. And a little quick update. When Final Fantasy, the full game, since I already pre-ordered it, you guys want to see me live stream it, I will be more than happy to live stream some Final Fantasy for you. And Smite and all that. But yeah, other than that, 54 minutes, fuck yes. It usually would take me to, well, here's the video. This is how big it is. 1.44 gigs. It would take me about half hour, 20 minutes to upload this, but 60 minutes, not that bad. But if you guys are new, please subscribe. Give it a like if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! I need to quit screaming. I really do. I'm gonna go cry in the corner now. And fap.